Now we come to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, let ABC be a right triangle. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to, with AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD is perpendicular. BD is perpendicular from B on AC. Perpendicular on AC from B. The circle through BCD is drawn. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Construct tangents from A to this circle. First of all, we will draw a triangle. A right angled triangle in which angle B is 90 degree. BC is 8 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter. Now BC I am taking as the base. Then first I will draw BC. BC is 8 centimeter. Say this. BC is 8 centimeter. Now at B angle is of 90 degree. Then at B I will draw an angle of 90 degree. In this way the angle of 90 degree is here is the point. Join this point. This angle is of 90 degree at point B. This is the point B. We can check it. This angle is of 90 degree. Now it is given to be 6 centimeter. AB is given to be 6 centimeter. Now we will cut from point B the hand of 90 degree angle for 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This point is A. Now we'll join A and C. Now we have joined A and C. Now you can see BC is 8, AB is 6, BD perpendicular A to AC from B. Now we have to draw BD perpendicular from B on AC. How we draw the perpendicular from B on AC? So this is the point, and from here we have to draw the angle. We have to draw perpendicular. Then first we will draw an arc on AC from B. Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of this arc by opening the compass more than the half of the arc from the 2 points Say this point is P and this point is Q, and these are intersecting at R. Then we will join B and R. We are joining B and R. This BD is perpendicular to AC. This angle is of 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now we will take perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector of BC. Here we get the midpoint of BC. Say this point is O. Now we'll take the radius OD and make a circle passing through B, D and C. Now we'll join AO. We join AO. We'll take the midpoint of AO by taking the perpendicular bisector of OA. Open the compass more than half of OA. We will get the midpoint of OA. This is the midpoint of OA, say M. Now take the radius AM and draw a circle. Take the radius AM and draw a circle passing through AB and intersecting the circle, previous circle at E. Passing through here is the point A, here is the point B, here is the point A, here is the point B, and it is intersecting this previous circle that was passing through D, B and C at point E. Now we have to draw the tangents. Then AB is automatically the tangent to this circle and we join AE. Then AE is also tangent to this circle. This AE is tangent to this circle and it is this AB is also tangent to the circle. This was the solution.